Let's see if we are live. All right. Isabella here with episode 2 of Teach Me Marketing. Today I will reveal the truth about multi-level marketing and network marketing companies. Multi-level marketing is basically selling, and network marketing is selling, but using a network of entrepreneurs to train and support one another. If you get the wrong company, the fallout is huge because they hire people who do not want to be salespeople, and that's the name of the game, really. That's why most don't work. That's why most don't make it. There's a high turnover in those companies, so you're constantly hiring, recruiting, training, and replacing them. Despite all this, though, it is possible to earn a 7-figure income, and I'm going to talk about how in a minute. The way some companies pitch, sad to say, is they tell you all you have to do is post a few links in social media, for example, and then you get rich. For part-time work, well, that doesn't happen. I'm here to tell you the truth about network marketing companies and MLMs. First, you must work the business like a business. You heard it all the time, but what does it mean? It means putting the 6 to 8 hours a day into that business, like a regular job. Or if you have a regular job, put that time in after work hours. If you're really serious about it, you would carve out 10 or more hours a week for that business. That's right. Carve out time for your business. You must schedule it. You must stick to that schedule and do the 3 income producing activities a day. And if you watch some of my other videos, I go into details on what these income producing activities are. So 3 income producing activities a day, and at the end of that week, you can reward yourself. But get the reward if and only you did the work. Don't be rewarding yourself for just doing 1 of those a day, and then 3 the next day, and 2 the next day. So no cheating. You're only cheating your future self if you do that. Second, you must dedicate 7 to 10 years as a master recruiter, trainer, and manager of salespeople. Yes, you heard me right. 7 to 10 years. It is this dedication to your team that will produce the 7-figure income. Recruiting by A, telling the truth about what they're getting themselves into. This also weeds out the people who won't do the work required. B, by building that relationship with that prospect, lead, or recruit, actually writing down in their file the important things you found out about them, like their favorite color or sports team. Yes, it is important. Find that connection and write it down so that you remember what the connection was when you talk to them next time. So they say, oh, well, he remembered. And C, not attaching yourself emotionally to the sale. Because when you get worked up about a no, they will end up backing out. This brings me to my third point. Professional marketers, network marketers, and sales trainers have to have a thick skin because of the high rejection and not getting your feelings hurt. I mean, people will come and go. And in a poor network marketing business, it's a revolving door. Only because the most people that they are recruiting have not developed the skill to sell. And they teach others to do the same thing. If you can handle that when you join, you'll be doing better than 97% of network marketers. If you can develop your thick skin about the revolving door, about people who, well, if you hire the right people, you won't be having to worry about that so much. That's why only 3% network marketers make a 7-figure income. This is how you do this. You have to be a leader. You have to have a class when promoting, not spamming each other and teaching others the same. The truth about building a network marketing business is you need to build it 1 day at a time, just like working out at the gym. You can't expect to have rock hard abs after 1 or 2 days of workout, can you? Of course not. It's the same thing. And most people quit in this business because they quit on themselves. It's like yo-yo dieting. When you're looking to join a network marketing business, you will want to look out for scams. And I've made a video on tips on that very thing, on tips on what to look for, I'll put the link of that video in the description below. Another thing to look for in your search are they forcing you to join? Do they just spam their links right away without finding out your needs first? That's a big red flag right there. When you find a company that you think you'll want to work with, get invited to a training, ask questions, get to know the people that you'll be working with to see if it's a good fit for you. And if they're forcing you to join, and you feel uneasy about it, then that's a big red flag sign too. Well, that's all I have for you today. And please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel below. And please be on the lookout for that video on the daily income producing activities. Also in the description link is a link that I invite you to join our Facebook marketing group. It's free to join. If you'd like to learn some more marketing tips, it's in there in that Facebook group. And I appreciate you taking the time to watch my video. As always, make it a productive day. God bless.